Hey guys, welcome back to another video on another day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate images and videos using AI absolutely for free, no login required, no subscription, nothing. Just type your prompt and your result appears on the screen instantly. Before we begin, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. Step 1. Download the app. Open your mobile phone, go to the Play Store, and search for Grok AI. Download the app and tap on Open. Now, the app behaves differently sometimes. At times, it won't ask for any login, but sometimes it may ask for a login. For privacy, I recommend using a temporary email, Temp Mail. If you don't know how to use Temp Mail, just comment Temp Mail below, and I'll make a full video on that. Step 2. Open the app and explore the home screen. Once you're inside the app, you'll see the main page. If you want to generate a video, you'll find the option right at the bottom, Create Video. Tap on it whenever you want to generate videos. But first, let's try generating an AI image. Step 3. Generate an AI image, free. I'm going to enter a sample prompt, a rabbit eating a carrot in the garden. Type your prompt and wait for the processing to complete. And there you go, the results are right on your screen. Tap on any image you like. You'll get options to download, share, or use it however you want. Super simple, super fast. Step 4. Generate an AI video. Now let's move to videos. Grok gives you 3 video categories: custom prompt, fun, normal. Choose anything you like. For this example, I'm selecting fun, and I'll wait for the process to complete. And that's it. You now have your AI generated video. Here are a few samples of the videos I generated earlier. That's all for today's tutorial. If you want a detailed guide on Temp Mail or any other AI tools, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.